Hello family and friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tanisha with Life with Tanisha RN, and today I am unboxing the winter edition of Cloth and Paper's Aesthete box. And if you are a subscriber, you know how the boxes are. This is actually box 2, so it comes in another box and then this box itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and while I do, if you're returning, thank you so much for joining me again. I really appreciate you, and if it's your first time, thank you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope that you will like what you see and will consider subscribing to the channel. All right, so let's take everything out. Oh goodness. And I think there was some peaks, but I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I cannot remember what was in this box. So much is going on. Life is lifing, so I cannot remember. So let's see. See if I can, all the little confetti wrap here. I'm gonna try to do this without wasting everything on the floor, but I'm sure I'm gonna end up, something's gonna end on the floor, unfortunately. So, all right. Oh, y'all bear with me. Let me get some of this stuff. You know, okay. All right. I think we can, let me put this over here. All right. And I do like to use the little card to kind of tell us what it is that's in here. And the Aesthete box is like their lifestyle box. The contents, Ashley, the owner, she personally curates these to things that she likes, she personally use, and most of the companies are small business owners, most of them, and they're women owned, if I remember correctly. So yeah, so let's see what we have. Since this is sitting over by itself, let's just go ahead and pull this out. All right, this is, I'm going to go down the list, y'all. Let's see, Santa Vital. Let's see what it is. This is Santa Vidal Superfoods. It is a scones mix. And it has a retail value of $7. So we can make scones. I do like scones. I've never made them before. So it's soy-free, dairy-free, sugar-free. It's all natural. Scone mix. So, okay, y'all. I might try this. So we're going to preheat the oven. We're going to put this in the mixing bowl. Cut cold butter into cubes and add to scone mix. With a paddle attachment, mix until butter is pea size. All right. So some unsalted butter. These, you can add sugar if you want, and then some buttermilk. I might try this. Maybe this would be a good project for me and my mom. I was thinking the other day, I need to do some fun things with her. She's still young, but I need to do something interesting with her. So I think this would be good. I'm gonna, like, Mom, let's do this. So I think I will do that. All right. So the next thing we have here is Lash Follicle Fortifying Serum. Huh. Let's see. And this is by I can't pronounce this, y'all. Delastin, and it has a retail value of $79. Okay, so we're going to reveal our longest looking lashes with the serum voted best for lashes by New Beauty readers. So, we're going to enhance our lash appearance in just 6 to 12 weeks. Interesting. Okay. All right. I'm for some self-care. Some self-care. All right. The next thing we have is some Rishi chamomile medley botanical blend tea. This is some tea. It's valued at $10. You know what? Let's do this real quick. And that's with the lash serum. I wonder. Oh, I'm just curious. Oh, I'll give it a try, y'all, and I'll let y'all know. Okay, so this is Rishi. Where's my scissors? I like a good tea. Okay. I'm going to open this because I think after I finish this, I'm going to give it a try. Let's see what it says about Rishi, though. It is a direct trade source of organic premium teas and botanicals. And I already said its value at $10. Okay, so, and the flavor is chamomile medley. Oh, it smells good too, y'all. I always like in one of those little, like sachet things. Look at there. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try this after I finish filming. So let me put that here. All right. The next thing we have is the for a clean home and a clean planet today, tomorrow, and forever. This is a cleaning bottle and it's by Kenfield. This is a, so it must be something else. Okay, yeah, this, okay, so this is the multi-surface cleaner and it has two, it's enough to refill it twice. You get 2 refills in this. So the bottle is valued at $12 and the surface cleaner, the refill, 2 times refill, it says is valued at $12. So it's designed to effectively clean various hard surfaces like wooden tables and marble countertops, and it cleans any hard surface, and it's 100% biodegradable. One cleaning concentrate results in 500 milliliters of cleaner. All right. So let's see. That's what the bottle looks like. Okay. Gotta have nice clean area when you're doing your self-care. So, but definitely wouldn't do this before. Okay, and it has the 2 bottles that are in there. Okay. All right, I can't get it back just right, so I'll try it after this. And the next thing we have is some Bees Keeper Naturals. This is vitamin C liposomal. let's see. Some, yeah, so, oh, they come in these packets. So you squeeze one into your mouth, or you can mix it with the liquid. So for best results, avoid mixing with warm or hot liquids or bleeding, as this could damage the liposome. Okay, and shake well. Okay, so probably while they say you can mix with the liquids, you make sure it's not too hot or too cold. Y'all, we need to keep our immune system up. Take your vitamin C, please. What I like also about this box is that the owners will give, usually some of them will include some coupons in here. So I'm sure, yeah, there's a coupon or something in here for this. Yeah. There is a coupon. So yeah. All right. And then the next thing we got two more things, y'all. This is a Cloth and Papers exclusive. This is the Basilica. And this is the room and linen spray. Y'all, I'm going to tell you, I love the Basilica. I love the candles. My mom, I bought her. Actually, I bought a candle for myself and she really liked it. I gave it to her, but then I bought her another one since she took mine. But this is the room spray, Basilica, and I wish we had smell-o-vision or smelly tube. This, I love Basilica. I absolutely love it, love it, love it. So let's see you right there. And oh, I forgot to tell, first of all, let me back up to the bees. The Bees Keeper, that's $21.99, has a retail value of that. And the Basilica has a retail value of $35. And then the next thing we have is the Dihaya. Now this is a Queen Amina African Superfruit Oil and a Mahari Lip Plus Cheek Tint in Dreamer. The African Superfruit Oil is valued at $102, and the Lip and Cheek Tint in Dreamer is valued at $38. And there's a coupon with that. But then look, it comes in this cute little bag. So let's see what this is. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't she pretty? So let's see what this is about. This is a lightweight formula in this pack with antioxidants. Okay, so I'm not sure. Use cleansing oil, makeup removal, beard oil. Oh, it has all of these things. You can do, okay, multi-use. Oh, what a pretty bottle. Ooh. What is this though, really? So you can. It's like a cleanser for your face. It said you can use this for face, body, or hair. Huh. It has a nice scent to it. Okay. I'm not gonna make this too much longer, y'all. I'll have to check it out. And this is the lip and cheek tint. That's pretty nice, pretty earth tone. I believe when you're having self-care moments, it's good to try something new. I mean, you're in your own little world, so you can do that. Love that. And then it came in this cute little bag. So, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's what I said, multitasking. So this is a multitasking powerhouse for face, body, and hair. You can use it as a luxurious makeup removal or cleansing oil, a pre and aftershave balm, or to moisturize the body. For hair, it's great pre-shampoo treatment and split end protector. Wow, truly, truly a multitasking powerhouse. I agree. And then this little thing right here, the lip and cheek tint, is waterless cream-based tint, delivers a soft flush of rosy brown color, flattering every complexion, and it's infused with the highest African superfruits complex, which includes minerals, baobab, and argan oils. It's skincare and makeup in one. Nice. Okay. I'm going to give it a try. All right, friends. Thank you so much for joining me in the unboxing of this edition of the Aesthete box from Cloth and Paper. What of the items listed, which one do you think you'll be most interested in? I'm interested in probably trying them all. I'm definitely going to try the tea after this. So I'm going to go down and get some tea. So, and I might, because we've got marble countertops. And, you know, y'all hear my husband. We've got marble countertops in the kitchen. So, no, I'm not. I'm not going to do it today. But I cannot get these back in the box. Anywho, let me put everything there. Oh, and the scones mix. Oh yeah, definitely looking forward to trying the scones mix too with my mom. I need to while I'm making my tea. I think I'll tell her about this. So, yeah. All right, friends. Thank you so much for stopping by and joining me to unbox this Aesthete box from Cloth and Paper. Leave down in the box, what did you like the most of the items that were shown? And if you're subscribed to the box. And until next time, friends, take care of yourselves and each other's. Bye.